this is me. Well, actually these are duckies. And I put up this hose so they can run in it. They're not in it right now, but they were a little bit ago. See if they'll go in it. Come on, little duckies. There, see, now they're playing in it. Wow! They try and fly away, but they don't know how to fly yet. See? Oh, Samantha's going to eat them. Just kidding. Samantha's good to them. Come on, duckies, go play. I just chase them around until they